Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the artistry and elegance of wood designs. Today, we invite you to join us on a captivating journey through a collection of exquisite wooden creations that will inspire and delight. Let's embark on this visual feast together. Prepare to be mesmerized as we unveil a world where craftsmanship meets nature, where each piece tells a story of creativity and passion. Join us as we explore the beauty of wood designs in all their glory. Our journey begins with a handcrafted wooden clock, a timeless piece that not only tells the time but also serves as a work of art in any room it graces. Witness the intricate details and the warmth of the natural wood grain. Watch as skilled artisans bring to life a stunning wooden dining table, where every curve and joint is meticulously crafted to perfection. Experience the transformation of raw wood into a masterpiece of functional beauty. From wooden vases to decorative wall hangings, our collection of wood decor items showcases the versatility and charm of this timeless material. Each piece is designed to add warmth and character to any living space. Marvel at the artistry of a hand-carved wooden sculpture, where every chisel stroke reveals the artist's skill and vision. Delve into the depths of creativity as wood is transformed into a captivating work of art. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey through the world of wood designs. Visit our website for more information on these exquisite creations and explore how you can bring the beauty of wood into your own life. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos celebrating the art of craftsmanship.